This is previous bull market. Obviously, the first bull market we can discount. Second one, 11 to 13, that was wild. I was involved in that one. It's when I first started investing. Bitcoin was, where was I in that one? I can't remember. Bought it at 200, got to 2000, was kind of like blown away. These are the percentage returns. And then, the returns have come down a bit over time, as we can see. There's adoption curves. We're right here. Right, kids, it's nothing to worry about. There's nothing to worry about. Literally all normal.
Bitcoin Zella stands out with its simplicity and clarity. We've crafted an experience that anyone can dive into, whether you're a crypto expert or just a new to the crypto world. Now, guess who keeps his eye on us? The author of best-selling book Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki. And we want to take this opportunity and thank all the people who trusted us, and we read every comment. And the best part, it's free. Subscribing now means you will get all new information for free. Don't just follow the trends, stay ahead of them. Subscribe to Bitcoin Zella today and enjoy the new edge. I know you are all wondering as the yellow fruit is around the corner, so we'll discuss if the banana zone is closer than ever. Per usual, expect some wine, culture, sophisticated snacks, crypto, lifestyle, and where we are today in the big picture outlook.
So if we can stop the drama, I'd appreciate it. There's too much of it everywhere. Everyone's just too involved because the problem is the engaging Twitter accounts, and I follow them too. I'm guilty of this. I like Ansem or well, any of these people who I follow and like. Yeah, I've been following Betty Bull Crypto. He's like, he's a long-term bull, but his short-term time horizon is a bearish and it could fall from here. Other people are this and that. It's a real skill as an investor. Fuck, we're going to run so out of time. No, overtime. Because I'm not going to cut you off. We're going to run so overtime. It's 5:45 Cayman time. We're 45 minutes in and we haven't gone to questions yet. So we're going to run so overtime. But what happens is, as a long-term investor, you're kind of just waiting for this. But there's a lot of, oh my God, it's going down, it's going up. And their time horizon is much shorter. And it fucks with your head. So it's a real skill set to learn. It kind of hurts you when you're hearing, oh my God, it's going down, it's going up, it's going down, it's going to do... And you're forgetting what game you're playing, which is like, I bought it somewhere when it was low in crypto winter or crypto spring, and I'm going to sell out late crypto autumn, and it'll have gone up 10x, 20x, 30x from then. And that's all I'm doing. I don't actually have to do anything. I was talking to a friend of mine about this. It's like, crypto is so incredible that it's been giving us the same opportunity every 4 years. And it's like, it's so stupid that it's been so easy. You just buy that big sell-off or add to your positions in the sell-off and do nothing. And everybody who've done that would have made better returns than starting a startup. If you'd have raised $1 million for a startup, if you'd just put it in the market instead, using that cycle, you'd have done better. I mean, pretty much everything we do, everything else is actually diluted. And I know people are like, oh, Raoul, he's become such a crypto guy. He used to be the macro guy. He used to talk about oil and dollar yen. I'm like, I don't give a fuck about that stuff because it doesn't produce 150% returns a year. I'm actually trying to unfuck my future and your future. That's what matters to me.
Bitcoin closed out the week just below $68,000. And while not its highest in October, bulls are stopping at nothing as the monthly close nears. As a result, a gap in CME Group's Bitcoin futures market offers insight into potential retracement levels should short-term momentum change. Think we're going to get a very volatile next week and end of the month. Popular trader Don Crypto Trades wrote in part of a recent post on X, while confirming the CME gap at $67,000. November itself is bound to make for a lot of action as well. With little more than a week to go until the U.S. presidential elections, traders are primed for volatility across crypto and risk assets. On higher time frames, others note BTC continues to consolidate below March's all-time highs of $73,800. So long as we consolidate, we will build the volatility necessary to break 70 resistance, fellow trader Roman told X subscribers. Sideways is boring, but what follows will begin a new macro uptrend. 70 is the level we must break to leave this 7-month range. Crypto investor and analyst Satoshi Stacker, meanwhile, eyed a golden cross playing out on the daily chart. This involving the rising 50-day simple moving average crossing above its 200-day counterpart. The last time this happened almost exactly a year ago, BTC more than 2x'd over the following 5 months, he noted. A repeat would see BTC reach 6 figures for the first time in history during Q1 2025.
It really matters to me. In fact, bothers me. I was back in England. I was with my closest and oldest friends. I mean, luckily they've all been pretty successful. Well, that group had been very successful, but not one of them was investing in anything. And they know I'm into crypto, and they kind of respect my opinion. Maybe sometimes, maybe not. But I just can't get them to talk about it or think about it. And yet they'd like talk about the next big house they want to buy and how they need to change their car. The UK cars and houses is the big thing. I'm like, guys, you could have made this all easier for yourselves by just doing some of this stuff. But they kind of can't. I don't know. There's this big stumbling block about investing with some people. The UK is really bad for it, I find. It was a bit depressing going back to the UK, just seeing how underdeveloped the crypto community is. Or just investing in general. In Europe, investing in general, I mean, nobody does it. In crypto, yeah. If you're a kid in Spain, maybe Italy, maybe France, Portugal probably. Certain countries have a high propensity for more speculative activities. The others just like resign themselves to, well, it's all fucked. I'm like, guys, it doesn't have to be this way. You can unfuck your future. That's what Real Vision is all about. It's trying to do this thing. Realize that if the yellow fruit comes, which, as you can see, I've shown the charts. Is it before the election, after the election? How does it end this month? I don't know, but it's there. It's there already.
Last week, popular trader and analyst Rect Capital argued that even a close at $66,300 would be promising, but in the end, the market managed to lock in a level primed to be the starting point for further upside. The significance of the weekly close becomes apparent when viewed within the context of BTC price behavior since March's all-time high. Since then, BTC has acted within a downward sloping channel that has been infamously difficult to break through definitively. Now, however, that moment appears to have arrived. Bitcoin is only hours away from confirming a brand new bullish weekly candle close. Rect Capital summarized alongside an illustrative chart of the channel on October 27. Bitcoin is on the cusp of confirming a successful post-breakout retest from the channel black. Others drew similar conclusions, with trading platform TrendSpider declaring all systems ready for launch after the close. Looks like the breakout from the descending broadening wedge has been perfectly tested, fellow popular trader Moustache concluded in part of his latest X posts. Next target, new ATH. And do not forget to subscribe to Bitcoin Zella. The most important news will reach your inbox on a daily basis and for free. I do not know why you have not subscribed yet. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more daily updates. Remember, knowledge is power, and we're here to empower you on your financial journey. Until next time, happy investing.